National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Alamance County, northwestern Orange County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Graham, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burlington, Graham, Hillsborough, Mebane, Haw River, Swepsonville, Carr, and Efland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Alamance, and Orange. Here is a special